Okay, estimation is a method we use to find an approximate answer. So, estimation gives us roughly an idea of what we're dealing with. The answer will not be the actual answer, but it should be close. Are we all clear? The answer will not necessarily be the exact or the actual answer, but it should be close it should be a bit closer to the actual answer. Are we all clear, guys? Are we clear, guys?
Yes, but it should be.
Yeah, it should be close to the actual answer. It's not like really the real answer, but it gives us an idea of what is the answer. So let's do an example. Let's say you have 37 rands and 102 rands. And they say, quickly calculate this without a calculator. So we're going to estimate. Estimation, I'm going to try to estimate roughly these numbers. What are they close to? 37 can be estimated to what? 40 rands. It's almost 40 rands if you have 37 rands. And 102 is almost how much? 100 rands. Are we all clear? So a quick calculation will be roughly how much? 140. Are we all clear? But what is the actual answer? Who can put this? 139. 139. Are we all clear, guys? So it's quite close to the actual answer. Are we all clear? That's what we mean by estimation. So this, I'm going to use this curved sign here to show that it's an estimation, approximately that. Okay, do this one. 84 multiplied by 18. Give an estimate of the two numbers, multiply them together. Then in bracket you can write the actual answer. Ah. Are we together, class?
Yes.
Okay, who's done? Do the question. Yes, 84 is roughly how much?
80.
80, are we all clear? Multiplied by 18 is roughly 20. Now you can multiply this together. 8 multiplied by 2 is how much? 16, are we all clear? And then you just add the zeros, 1,600. Like that, are we all clear? But what is the actual answer, guys? Press that on a calculator, it's 1,512. Or you can do the long method of the column method. Are we all clear? So this is an estimation, this is the actual answer. Not too far. Try this one. 179 plus 122 minus 99. You write down the estimate for each down here, and then you do your answer. This becomes 180, that becomes 20, 99, roughly 100. So, you can start by subtraction. Addition or subtraction, it's the same. Are we all clear? Or we can add these two together. How much is this? Oh, it's 300. Are we all clear? Then 300 minus 100 is how much? 200. Who did the actual answer? Yes, how much is it? Is it 201? Please confirm, someone. 202, ne? Yeah. I also got 202. But it's not bad. I mean, you there. Are we all clear? Any questions so far? I will still fine, guys, ne? This is estimates. We're doing one more question. I'm going to write it here. One more question under estimation. 552 divided by 12. Do that one. So 552 becomes how much as an estimate? 550 divided by 10. It doesn't need a calculator. How many times does 10 goes into 550? 55 times. Are we all clear? All right. Can we move on? Yes. What is the actual number? 46. Is it 46? Yes. Okay. Okay, moving along. Let's do rounding off now. Rounding off. Guys, this guy, no, must go. Rounding off, we can either round up or round down, right? So we're gonna firstly do how to round off whole numbers. And then we're going to do how to round off decimals. You should know how to round off the whole numbers and the decimals. Okay, quickly. This is what you should know. Eh? If the number next to the rounding number is between 0 and 4, we're going to round down. What does it mean? The rounding number stays the same. Are we all clear, guys? If the number is between what and what, you can tell us? 0 and 4. Meaning any number less than 5. Are we all clear? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We're going to look for that. And then if the number is what? Between 5 and what? 5 and 9. We're going to round up. Meaning the rounding number goes up by 1 digit. Be all clear, guys. So we're going to look for those two. Either more than 5 or less than 5. More than 5, it doesn't affect the rounding number. More than 5, it adds 1 to that. Are you all clear? Okay, let's do one example together, and I'll give you questions to do on your own. Yes, right? Example, let's do this one. 37,256. So, we know our place value, guys, right? Should I write it here? Our place value is units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and so on and so on. Are we all clear? 100,000. And what? What comes after 100,000? A million. Are we all clear? So the first question will say, let's write the question, round off to the nearest 10. Are we all clear? Round off this answer to the nearest 10. So where is the 10, guys? By the 5. Are we clear? 56. So we look at the number next to the 5. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. So what is it going to do? This rounded number is going to go up by 1. Are you all clear? Then here we're going to put a 0. Are you all clear? So meaning our answer is 37,260. Yes. Are we all clear? Yes, 37,260. Are we fine? No. Who says no? Say what? Number 2, round off to the nearest hundreds. Are we all clear? So we use the original question that they gave us, not this one. We go back to our question there, and then the 100 is by 2 now. Are we all clear? So what is the number near 2? 5. Is it more than 5? Is it more than 5 or less than 5? It's 5. And what did we say? If it's 5, between 5 and 9, we round up. Are we all clear? So it's going to add 1 to this one. Are we all clear? So what will be the answer now? 37,300. 37,300. Let's do the other one. Round off to the nearest what? 1,000 now. Okay, let me write down. The question is 37,256. 1,000, I'm going to weight by 7 here. Are we all clear? So what is the number near 7? It's 2. It's less than 5. So is it going to affect this number or not? No, it's not going to affect it, right? So what will be our answer? 37,000, just like that. Because this number is less than 5. It's between 0 and 4. The last one is what? Round off to the nearest 10,000. So we look at this number here. The number next to it is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. So what will be the answer, guys? 40,000. Are we all clear? Okay, are we all clear? Any questions so far? Can I give you a question to do? Ne? So you're gonna copy the same questions. Apply for the question that I'm giving you. Are you all clear? You're gonna write the question, round off to the nearest 10, and then write the answer, number 2, number 3, number 4. Please do this one. Example 2. Question. Round off. $49,628. Please do that question. Okay, let's do it. To the nearest 10, what will be the answer? 49,630. Because of 10 is here, you look at this number, it's more than 5, so we round up, right? What about to the nearest 100? 49,600. Are we all clear? What about the 1,000? 50,000. Why 50,000? Because it's a 9, right? We're here by the 9. This number adds 1 to the 9. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So we put 0, carry over the 1. So it becomes 50,000. Do you all agree? Yes, sir. Yes. The 9 adds, the 1 adds to the 9, it becomes 10. Then we have to carry over. What about the last one? 50,000. Is it also 50,000? Yes. Okay, all right. Any questions so far, guys? Any question? No question, yes. Let's do decimals. You should only know your placeholders. Units, 10, hundreds, where's hundreds? Are we all clear? And then you should know more than 5 and upwards, 5 to 9 adds 1. 4 going down, it doesn't affect anything. Fine, thank you. How to round off decimals, the last part. So what are decimals? Lower than 1, but higher than 0. Are you all clear? Okay, let's go on. Numbers are less than 1 or and greater than 0. Are we all clear? So let's write them down. Or you can say numbers after the comma. Are we all clear? So a decimal will look something like this. Maybe you've got a number there and a number there. Are we all clear? So there are 2 ways, all right, man? There are 2 ways that we can write these things. So I'm going to try to draw them here. So this one, I'm going to put it here. That one, I'm going to put it there. If it's 1 decimal, we will only have 1 decimal. Meaning after the comma, there's only how many numbers? Only 1 number. Are we all clear? We call this also a tenth. Are we all clear? Which can be written as 1/10. So they can either say round off to 1 decimal place or round off to a tenth. Are we all clear, guys? And then how many decimals are here now? 2. So they can either say round off to 2 decimal places or round off to a what, guys? 100th. Is that right? I'm missing a D there. 100th. 1 over 100. Are we all clear? So it's 1 over 100. So after the comma, it's 10th, 100th, 1000th. Before the comma, it's units, tenths, hundredths. Are we all clear? And then the last one, Tatu, how many decimals are there? Yes. That's right. You can either say round off to 3 decimal places or round off to a what? 1,000. Which will be 1 over 1,000. So we're going to do this properly when we're dealing with decimal fractions. But for now, we just want to know how to round off. So the same applies. Between 0 and 4, between 5 and 9, we round up. Let's do an example. Together, 3, 3,469. The question will say round off the question will say round off to 1,000. Round off to what, everyone? 1,000. Who can tell me how many decimals are they looking for? Is it 3 decimals? I'm missing a number there. They want how many decimals? 3 decimals. So I can put here 3 decimal place. They want only 3 decimals, meaning after the comma I should have how many numbers, everyone? 3. So look on the board. 1, 2, 3. I should have only those 3 digits. We look at this number, the 4th one. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? So is it going to affect the 9? No. So what will be the answer? 3,469. Should I put a 0 here? No, because they want only how many numbers? Digits after the comma? 3. Are we all clear, guys? Should I re-explain that? They want how many decimals after the comma? 3. So 1, 2, 3. I look at this 4th number. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. So it's not going to affect the 9. So it goes down. But I don't put a 0 there to fill up the space or what. Because I should have only how many numbers after the comma? 3. Basically. Just that this is not what's up. Round off to 2 decimal places. They can either say this or what? Who can tell us? They can say 2 decimal places or 100. Are you all clear? What is the answer? Who can do it for us? Yes, do it on your book. Did you do it? Do it first. Okay, how many decimals do they want? 2 decimals. Meaning after the comma, how many numbers should be there? 2 numbers. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm looking for 2 numbers. Then you look at the third one. More than 5 or less than 5? More. So is it going to add to this one? Yes. It goes up by 1. So what will be the answer? 3,47. Do you all agree? Okay. Number 3, round off to a tenth. They can either say a tenth or what? 1 decimal place. You need to know both of them. Are we all clear? They can either say round off to a tenth or 1 decimal place. Round off to 2 decimal places or 100th. Are we all clear? Do that question as quick as you can. Done. What is the answer? 3,5. They want how many numbers after the comma? Only 1 digit. So I wait here by the 4. I look at this number. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? More. So it adds 1 to that one. Are we all clear? The last question. Number 4. Round off to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number. They give us the answer as 3,469. The question is 3, what? What will be the answer? Who can tell us? Yebo. Is it 3, everyone? So the answer, rounding off to the nearest whole number, will be a 3. You look at the first digit there, it's less than 5, so it's not going to add anything to the whole number. Are we all clear? Please do this question on your own. You're answering the same questions, 1 to 4, the same as they are. Are we all clear? Question 6,99346. Round off to 4 decimal place. Round off to 1,000. And the last one, nearest whole number. So the first one, how many numbers should be after the comma? Let's talk quickly. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wait here. What is this number? 6. So it's going to add a 1 there. Are we all clear? So here I'm going to have 6,9935. This one, 1,000. How many decimals are in 1,000? 3. So we want how many numbers there? 3. 1, 2, 3. We by 3 now. 4. Is it going to affect the 3? No. So the answer will be 6,993. A tenth has how many decimals? 1 decimal. So I only want 1 decimal. I'm here. Look on the board. What is the number next to this 9? It's a 9. So it's going to add 1 to the 9. 1 plus 9 is how much? 10. So here I'm going to have 0. Then I carry over the 1. So the answer here is 7, 0. I have to put that because they want the decimal. If you just write 7, it's not correct. Are we all clear? Number 4, how many decimals do they want now? 2 decimals. I must have 2 numbers after the comma. So 1, 2 decimals is the 99. Are we all clear? The number near the third one is less than 5, so it's not going to affect anything. So the answer is 6,99. And the nearest whole number, 6,69. The 9 is going to add the 1 to the 6. So the answer is what?
7.
Ola 7.